Hi guys, today I'm making a light fruit cake. In a small bowl, add in 1 cup of fruitcake mix and half a cup of chopped cherries. You could use a mixture of green and red, I'm just using red. Add in 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it together well, then set it aside till needed. In a large bowl, add in 285 grams of butter and 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar and mix it together until light and creamy. Then add in 4 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it together well. Then add in 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of ground almonds and a 1/4 cup of milk and mix it well. Add 1½ cups of flour and mix it until no dry flour remains. Remove the beaters from your mixer and add in your fruit, then use a spatula to fold it in gently. Be careful not to overmix. Transfer the batter into a greased baking pan or loaf pan and spread it out evenly. My pan here is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, but if you're using a loaf pan, you'll want to use one that is longer than 30 centimeters. Run a sharp knife around the edges of the cake. This will allow it to rise easily. Leave it plain or sprinkle on some flaked almonds and bake at 170 degrees for 50 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool, then turn it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!